So guys, today, what's up guys, it's me, Candy Crush, and today we're going to be playing ankle breaker bomb thingy. So, the reason why I'm doing this is because I've been getting lots of views when I've been playing like Roblox games, so mostly why I'm doing this, but mostly because I love y'all guys. So, let's play. Time bomb ankle break. Ha, that was so close. Let's play. Oh, okay. So
I got this. Take a look around you. Take a look around you.
Where are you going?
Kaboom! I got this.
Oh my god, that's so tragic. Whoa, no. No.
Take a look around you.
Okay.
I'm very angry!
Jesus Christ.
Where are you going?
What is he saying today? Wait, who has the bomb? Me? What?
I'm very angry! Where are you going?
Whoa.
I got them.
Oh my god. I hate y'all. Y'all are targeting me.
Take a look around you.
Oh, no. Frick.
Take a look around you. I got this.
Where are you going?
Kaboom!
Oh my god.
I got this.
Okay. I'm gonna break your ankles. What?
I'm very angry! Where are you going?
Just get out his way. Just get out this way. Just.
Kaboom!
Oh my god! He's gonna die at the last second.
Take a look around you.
Oh crap.
Take a look around you.
Oh gosh.
Where are you going?
Oh gosh.
Take a look around you.
Copyright. Copyright. Oh my gosh.
Take a look around you.
Where are you going?
I got this.
Oh.
Take a look around you.
Why is he headless? Oh, okay. Okay, I'm just gonna put the corner here.
I got this. I got this.
Oh, that's dirty. Now I'm gonna just sit in the corner here.
Take a look around you.
No!
I got.
Where are you going?
Run.
I got this.
I gotta leave. So y'all, that game was really fun. Me and my friend used to play this, but yeah, I'm not gonna talk about that. But yeah, that was fun, guys.